Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review and setup on my new aluminum table. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. So this will make like a good coffee table, side table. So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright. User manual right there. Got the power cable. And the base down here. All right, and then the actual table itself. So it's only about 3 pieces, so let's actually go ahead and set it up and try it out. As you can see, putting this together is quick and simple. No extra tools needed, and it's done in just a few minutes. The design feels solid and it all comes together nicely. All right, as you can see, the installation is really simple. It is ready to go. That base does have some weight to it. This is really clean, but let's go ahead and actually see it in action and plug it in. All right, and here's what the round acrylic table looks like. Very modern and clean. No cords, no mess. It's really easy to use and super convenient. All right, so we got it all set up and hooked up. So one of the things I do want to point out, it does have a wireless charger on here, so check this out. Bam, start charging your phone right then and there. And then down here, you can control the light. It can be really cool like in a bedroom or in the living room. If you want to have it like as your reading light, so you can set your phone here, you can set your book here, and maybe like a drink, coffee, something like that right here. Like I said, and it looks really nice and it holds up really well. So now let's actually see what it looks like once we turn off the light. All right, and this is what the table looks like in the dark. The soft glow is perfect for evenings when you want to relax without any harsh lighting. It gives off this warm ambient vibe that's calming, makes the whole space feel cozy. It's not meant to light up the entire room, but that's the point. It's about creating a comfortable atmosphere. You can keep it next to a couch, a bed, or even your office, and it instantly makes the space feel more inviting. Plus, the table is super handy for holding a drink, your phone, a book. The dimming feature also comes in clutch if you want to keep the light even softer. Just a long press on that touch switch, and you can adjust it for exactly how you like it. All right, guys, so there you have it. You guys are looking for like a new, more modern table lamp that can still charge your phone, has a cool light built into it. Definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.